Best NRI account for Indian seafarers or a person who is living or working outside the India. What is the procedure to open it? What documentations are required? What is the purpose of having an NRI account? And lastly, I will tell you which NRI account I am using. Hey guys, this is Akshay and today we are going to see what is NRI account and what is the purpose of it. And lastly, I will tell you which bank account I am using as well. So after watching this video, if you find this video is valuable, then please make sure you do share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed, then please make sure you hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon with all notifications on. So when I make more informative videos like this, you will be notified automatically. This I am particularly telling because I see many people are watching my videos, but not even a 30% have subscribed the channel. If you are watching regularly, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you will be notified automatically when the new video is released. So first of all, let's see what is the NRI account. Well, in NRI account, you are going to get two accounts, NRE account and NRO account. And why NRI account is required? A person who is living outside the India, working outside the India, are normally recommended or mandatory to open a NRI account. In NRI account, we are getting two accounts, NRE account and NRO account. First of all, let's talk about your NRE. NRE means non-resident external, which is a bank account is particularly opened to receive a forex. That means Indian seafarers who is working outside the India are going to receive a salary into dollars, euros or a pounds or maybe some other currency. So when you go, you join the ship, or maybe before that only, you are going to submit your account details to receive a salary. This is the bank account you are going to mention or you are going to submit. So this bank account is very particular to receive only forex. When you transfer the money from outside the India, that's the money is going to be received in this bank account. You cannot transfer a normal, like you have a normal savings account, your family and other, they cannot transfer, or you cannot transfer a regular savings account money to this account. Okay. Second account is NRO account, which is a non-resident ordinary, which is as simple as I would say, or as same as normal regular savings account which is open into India. So this has a very basic function, which I would say, like suppose if any of the person who is NRI and generating an income from India, so that means that income is going to be received or transferred to this bank account, because as I said, you cannot receive a money from any regular savings account or direct cash deposit into NRE account. That can be done only into NRO account. So that's why these two bank accounts are always recommended to open, and they mostly come clubbed together. Now let's see how you can open this bank account. Well, by the time you are going to open this bank account, there are some list of documents which are required. I remember Aadhaar card is required, PAN card is required, you will require your CDC, your passport. If you have a visa, is required, because I have seen some banks where you can open your bank account without obtaining a visa as well. Okay, on the basis of CDC also some banks do open. However, I have seen they always ask for visa, and you also are going to open your bank account only when you have received your visa. So always when you're carrying your passport, your visa is with you, right? And then you will might require your contract copy or a job offer letter. Okay, so these are the documents which are going to be required. So now let's see which bank account is best. Well, in this case, I would say you should always go for the bank account which provides a very good internet banking services. That means online services are best. So when you say like that, there are 4 or 5 banks which comes into my mind, like SBI. When it comes from a government banks, SBI is the best bank, I would say, in terms of online services. I'm not telling you to go to the bank and be in a line there. That is the worst scenario I would talk about the government bank. But here we are talking about online services, and SBI is a bank which understands very clearly about terms and conditions for Indian seafarers. So I would recommend that. Second thing, in a private banks, I would recommend Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC banks keep at the last, and fourth I would say Kotak Mahindra Bank. Okay, so these are the banks which are recommended to open. So which bank account you should open? You should always choose a bank account among these, and which bank account you're going to choose, which is nearest to your home, because at any time you don't have to take a stress to go to the bank which is really far away. So whatever bank is nearest to you, you should choose that. And also make sure you can go and ask them as well if any of these banks is providing a particularly NRI branch in your location. That is going to be a very nice, and you will receive a very nice customer service over there. So I hope all your doubts has been clear, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. This is Akshay signing off.